Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala u Conrad Ki Sangma henne kasngi ka khatwai tare uri saw habak ren chiki nong thok kubor ule tho bahado menta ki pulet ke layo ban kem hado san ngot ki badan benta ha ka jengwan ban bo bom hakmat ka office NPP Shosho nakalyang u Conrad ule tho ru ba ki pulet ki dang tok ket bah ha ka baye dei bat kani bat kendang don shosho ki wei pat ki badan kti ki ba katanat pulet kan sayo ban kem
Look at this as a political thing. Now let me make it very clear. I never made that statement. It was in response to a similar question like what you're asking me today. Somebody had asked, I forgot who, that is there a possible political link to this incident? And my reply was, there could be. We cannot simply write that off. So I never made that statement. I simply was reacting to a question that was asked by one of you. But I request if those kind of questions should not be made as if I'm making a statement. So coming back to your question, that there could be, but we don't know. But police will of course look at all the angles, and will do the investigation. And police is doing a good work right now. And as I said, 5 arrests have been made, and possibly more arrests will be made. And they are very much into the entire investigation.
So even in